Greetings and welcome to my video on one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time, global warming. My name is Nur Iman binti Ridzwan and I'm a TSLB student. I'm excited to guide you through this important topic today. In this video, we'll be exploring the causes behind global warming, its far-reaching impacts on our planet, and some actionable solutions that can help us tackle this global challenge. Let's dive in and learn more about what we can do to address climate change and protect our future. Now, we will discuss what is global warming. Global warming is one of the most critical environmental issues that our world faces today. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases. These harmful gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to an overall warming effect. When greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane trap heat in the atmosphere, it causes the planet's temperature to rise. This is mainly due to the global warming issue. Usually, in normal cases, some heat from the Earth radiates into space. But human activities since the Industrial Revolution have increased greenhouse gases, which intensifies this effect. Since the year 1906 until 2006, Earth's temperature rose by 0.6 to 0.9 degrees Celsius, with faster warming in recent decades. Arctic ice has decreased and sea levels have risen by 0.70 meters. Industrial activities and agriculture contribute to the rise in greenhouse gases, worsening the situation. Our Earth has been our home since day one. Therefore, it is unfair for Mother Nature to be treated like it is worth nothing. Now, let's take a look at this news about global warming.
Emissions of greenhouse gases need to peak within the next 3 years if we're to stave off the worst effects of climate change. And even then, we'd still need new technology to suck carbon dioxide out of the skies by the middle of the century. In their latest report, UN scientists are warning we are on course for devastating changes to our climate. And the head of the UN called out government and business leaders for saying one thing on reducing emissions and doing another. Put simply, he said, they are lying and the results will be catastrophic.
As a sequel, global warming has had impacts on all sorts of parties. To start, our lands become dry. As temperatures rise, regions that are already dry become drier, which leads to water shortages, desertification, and challenges for agriculture. Other than that, haze also keeps happening. Air pollution from the burning of fossil fuels and other sources results in smog and haze, which not only reduces air quality but also traps more heat in the atmosphere. This may result in the weather being hotter. Moreover, the warming climate is causing glaciers and polar ice caps to melt, leading to rising sea levels and the loss of natural habitats for species such as polar bears that depend on cold environments. Not to forget, the oceans will warm and acidify due to the excess heat and CO2 from the atmosphere. As a result, ocean temperatures rise, leading to coral bleaching and damage to marine ecosystems, while increased CO2 causes ocean acidification, which harms marine life such as fishes. Additionally, global warming also leads to extreme weather events to happen. Global warming contributes to more frequent and severe weather events, such as floods, heat waves, hurricanes, and droughts. These disasters threaten human lives, agriculture, industries, and also infrastructures. So, what can we do to help regarding global warming issue? First of all, there are a lot of things that we can do to help the world fighting this crisis. One of them is to reduce fossil fuel consumption. Changing from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower can surely have a major impact in reducing carbon dioxide gas emissions to the atmosphere. Other than that, promoting energy efficiency. When we improve efficiency in homes, buildings, offices, and transportation, it indirectly reduces the overall demand for energy and emissions. Moreover, we also can start to apply the practice of gardening and planting plants or trees. On top of that, reforestation and afforestation also can be done by the government party. This is because when we plant more trees and help restore forests, it will subtly help with the absorption process of carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere and restore natural ecosystems. In addition, we as a society must also support sustainable agriculture. This refers to sustainable farming practices like reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Adopting organic farming methods can also reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which will help our environment become healthier. Furthermore, we also must normalize the usage of green transportation. This is because when we shift from normal transportation to electric vehicles, we are one step closer in making the earth healthier again. Improving public transportation and promoting cycling or walking are the key steps towards reducing transportation-related emissions. Last but not least, there is a need for governments, businesses, individuals to raise awareness. These parties can collaborate on implementing environmental regulations, carbon pricing, and policies that promote sustainability and reduce the carbon footprint. Well, we've reached the end. Thanks for watching. Global warming is one of the biggest challenges our planet faces today. But by understanding the problem and taking action, we can make a difference, whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, supporting renewable energy, or spreading awareness. Every step counts. Let's work together to protect our planet for future generations. Stay informed, stay active, and let's make a change.